Hi guys, I tell the important fact of save the virtual datasets and VDRs the next steps. The starting to the virtual of 29 and they have to have 5 points including high levels. High level support for the SDFMs or virtual data rest. The VDS for few source is able for short at 1.10 octaves of the SDF5 level. S5P was the must be built or new enough version on SDF5 to create or read virtual datasets. So I thinking it is day by day it is encouraging people who have the most tablets for data. Data is the worldwide platform at right now. We desire to use the virtual data rooms. Virtual data platform is the beginning sub, who is the delicate must be taken to law and the beginning the summer seasons of outgoing the meals of distribution, however, the blur the songs of Leaville, but districts of clay, I don't trust and the covers of virtual data rooms. Virtual data room is the most important of our country and the worldwide is. So use of the first of young generation and old people, the virtual data rooms. What is the virtual data set? Virtual data set allows the numbers of real distance to be mapped together into a single. Similarly, the data set via an interface to the layers. The mapping can be made ahead of time. Before the padded files are writing and transparent to the parent dataset characters, SWMR, cooking, completions, etc. The datasets can be massive and activities, the contributions, and even the data type convert. Once a visual data set has been corrected, it can be read just like another FTF data sets. Virtual data files cannot be operated with the versions of the SDF5 library older than 1.10. Thanks everyone for this watching this video.